What's up, Wayne Barron here with Dark Effects Studios, and today, as you can tell, we are inside of a Linux folder. What? That's right, we are inside of Linux. We are going to install VirtualBox and then install Linux within a virtual environment. No, people, I am not going to be going from Windows 10 over to Linux by no means. However, I would like to learn how to use the system. I have always been fascinated with it, and I mean, let's face it, any hacker movie that you ever watch, they're always using Linux. And does that mean that I want to be a hacker? No. What that means is that I simply am interested in the unusual. So in the case of me being a Windows user, Linux is unusual to me. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to install VirtualBox. Okay, the version that we have right here, the VirtualBox 5.1.10-112026 is actually a buggy copy. I will show you the bug here in just a few minutes. Okay, so we're only getting 32-bit versions here, and that's not what we want. We're going to come back over here to our VirtualBox. We're going to run it again, click on next, and then we're going to choose repair. Click on repair. Okay, now that we have rebooted, mine is installed inside of my temp J drive VirtualBox. So let's go ahead and launch it from here. Click on new, and there we go, we got all 64-bit. So I'm not really sure exactly what the issue is, but for some reason you got to do a repair on it in order for you to get the 64-bit. So let's come over here, we're going to go to Linux, and then we're going to scroll down and see if it gives us the option for the new Linux. And we're going to do other Linux 64. So we're going to do Linux Mint. Click on next, boost it up to about 900. And let's come over here to next. We want to create a virtual hard disk now. And so we're just going to click on create. So we're going to choose the VDI, click on next. Dynamically allocated. I've got enough space on that drive, so I don't really have to worry about anything. So we're just going to leave that alone. Click on next, and it's going to be our Linux Mint. We're going to come over here. No, that's wanting to put it there. We want to come over here to our J. And this is where we're going to have it at, is our Linux. And then choose save. Okay, we're going to go ahead and set this at about 20. And let's go ahead and click on create. Let's go ahead and click on start. And this right here is our bug. So this is a major bug within the Oracle VirtualBox for the version 5.1.10.112026 for Windows. I reinstalled the INF drivers inside the folders and did not resolve the issue. Reinstalled the application, did not resolve the issue. I actually had to go in and download the 5.0.30-112061. That one right there worked great, and that's what we're going to jump over to right now. Okay, this right here is the recent one that seems to, the most recent one. It seems to have a bug in it. And this one right here I just downloaded, so we're just going to have to run it. Okay, so we still got this setting here, so it kept all my settings. Let's make sure that everything else is where it needs to be at, and it is. So let's go ahead and try to run it now. And there we go. So there was a bug in the most recent version of the program. So let's go ahead and start this. Let's go ahead and click here. Alright, let's go ahead and click on start. Okay, and we are installing our Linux Mint. Alright, well that didn't take long. It took less than 2 minutes to install it. I mean, that is, I'd have to say that is pretty daggone quick. So let's go ahead and get this thing in full screen so we can actually see it a little bit better. I mean, I don't really know anything about it. I'm just going to have to learn. So whatever I learn, I will pass along to the community, and then we can go from there. We are at least installed. So we're going to go ahead and stop the video right here. I got to go in and compile the bug report for the VirtualBox, for Oracle VirtualBox, and go ahead and release that so that they can fix their bug. We are inside of Linux. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.